Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this Cadillac STS we're going to go over how you'd replace your reverse light bulbs if you need to replace those. And so to start with, you're going to need to pop the trunk. We're going to raise the trunk up, pressing in the middle there, and we'll unlock the trunk if it's locked, and we can raise that up. Once we have the trunk raised up, we're going to need to remove this carpet cover, and so there are various push pins to be removed. There's also the handle here, and you're just going to pop it from the top down, and you can pull that out, and then we'll work our way around to get all the push pins undone. Okay, so we've removed the push pins on this one. Remove the push pins. Now that gives us full access to the lights to be able to replace them. And now, to get to this light, we're just going to turn that quarter turn and be able to remove the light from the housing there. And then this, you just pull this light straight out. And this light here for the reverse light bulb is a 3157, and so you would get a new 3157 to replace and put in there. And so you're going to take your new light bulb and you're going to just line it up and snap it in, and then you'll be able to install it up in there and turn it a quarter turn to the right to tighten it back into place. And so that's how you would replace your reverse light bulbs on your 2011 Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.